Good morning. It's Wednesday, February 26th. Got a helicopter behind us. They're delivering supplies to the gondola logging operation. We're heading downtown. We're going to catch the shuttle out to Glenorchy, and then we're going to jet boat the Dart River. So looking forward to that fun today. We checked in at the Dart River Adventure dusk, so we're in what they call the station. So we're waiting for our bus at 8 o'clock.
Pressures from one side of the lake varied to the other side of the lake. Storms rolled in. So lots of ships came to moor up here.
Stopped at a bluff halfway to Glenorchy, and you can see down this way will be the root burn trailhead. This is absolutely stunning in here. Just beautiful. Looking back south towards Queenstown. Life jackets and raincoats. We're on the bus, dressed up, ready to go. Queuing up for photos. There's our jet boats. We're waiting to figure out what boat we're in. Hopefully get up front.
So we're jumping with Jenny.
Alright, we're on the boat. We're just informed that these are new boats with stadium seating, which is nice.
Is it anybody's first time jet boating?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. It's my first time today too.
Alright.
That's actually our special mountain out here today, even though we are going to be hanging out in the Mount Aspiring National Park. Mount Aspiring is actually a couple of mountain ranges over. Of the root burn track, one of New Zealand's top 5 walking tracks. Okay. And also the stream that flows out of there is home to some top quality fly fishing. the slip was that big that it was actually big enough to dam the river.
Some of the trees around us, and I'll show you, we're getting up to an 800-year-old tree in a little while. A really cool tree in the area, because we're talking about stuffing up trees. This one right here. If you want a closer look, here you go. Of the lance wood. They call it the lance wood because it's tall and straight like a lance. So it has these really jagged leaves. Remember those leaves, because this is a teenage or juvenile tree. When I show you an adult tree later on of the same species, the leaves are different. He's like, oh, he wants to be friends. He just wants to eat these sandflies that are surrounding you.
Eat away.
This is a replica of the chair. The originals were too expensive. This is a replica of a hobbit chair. So built to the same dimensions as Gandalf's chair. They grow like this bad boy here. It lifts the trunk of the tree off of the ground, then exposes it to the head of teenage to adulthood, and it actually has both leaves on the same tree.
Little
so I'll show you
sapling we
that as we walk
saw
down
back
here
there.
further.
Yeah. Narnia was shot right there where the gap is.
Two rivers that feed into Lake Wakatipu, the Dart and the Rees. This is the Rees here, so you can see the beautiful color of it. It is a glacial mimic. It was once either part of the lake or part of the river system.
You just said the golf
And it
course
all
is
started with some
$10 to
farmers
play
that
nine
thought their
holes.
horses were better than their neighbors.
This is Glenorchy. It's like a population of 250. I thought we'd be able to see. Shades are done.
6 kilometers.
That's Morgan. He's our driver. Little cabin for self-sustain, basically. Rental. Very narrow. A little hydro jump shark. And that tomorrow, the boat, the steamboat. Bus driver Morgan said today it's 2020 and somebody's job is to shovel. Last night in our Airbnb, Queenstown and New Zealand. Tomorrow morning we got to catch the steamer to a farm, do farm tour and have lunch, and then we head back here and get our bags and head home. Been an interesting day. I was on the jet boat and we were sitting up front, and I laid, just like before, I'd laid the GoPro on my lap and was kind of hanging on to it, and we did a hard stop and that thing went flying forward, hit the kick panel, bounced back, and then it vanished into thin air. We could not find it at all, so I lost the GoPro on the boat somewhere. We think it hit the top and bounced in this crack on the kick panel and went down below. Ripped the seats out and hopefully get back with us sometime today. If not, they would contact us another way. Still had a great time on the jet boat, and then had a nature walk, and then got back on the bus, saw some sites that they filmed Lord of the Rings on. Got back here to the apartment, made some lunch, and went and walked around downtown for a little bit. So we're getting ready to make dinner. Anyway, fingers crossed on the GoPro. It did have a hiking footage on it. It had all the luge footage on it, and then I was actually filming the jet boat today. And it had some of the footage from the Milford Sound yesterday. Hoping to hear something soon. All right, we'll talk at you later. Bye.